Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can cut out a part of a clip in CapCut. So for example, I only need clip to this extent because I don't need the end of the clip. So what I can do in this scenario is I have two options. So I have this line here, so I know where I want to cut the video. So one thing you can do is just to go to the end of the video until you see these two arrows here and just first click on the video and then just drag the video to the line you would like it to end. Okay, so this is the first option. Another thing you could have done just to make sure that this doesn't move here is just to go to this add marker and just click on the add marker, and as you can see now, if you drag the clip to this marker, there's gonna be a blue line, so you can also use this solution. So another thing we can do is if we want the clip to end here, we can just go here. This is basically the split icon and you can just click that, but it's really tiring to go there every time. So instead you can just use the combination of Ctrl and B. So you go to the clip, you click on the clip and just Ctrl B and it's gonna be splitting. And now you click on the part which you would like to delete and just use the delete button on your keyboard. If you have a part in the middle of the video which you would like to cut, what you can do, so I for example want to cut from here to here. So if I want to cut out this part from here to here, first thing I can do is just to split with the previous combination, split the video here, click on the first video. So just drag this to this first part. Obviously you can do this only visually, you don't need to use these markers. I just use them so you can see what I'm doing here. By the way, for the two clips to move together, because as you can see the right clip is being dragged with the left clip, you need to have this main drag magic magnet turned on, because as you can see if I turn this off, now only one of the clips is being dragged. So another option which you can do is just split the clips here and you split the clips here and you just delete this middle clip, and it's basically doing the same thing, but I think it takes more time, so I usually just split it at the end where I want it to end and I just drag the clips. Alright, so all in all, this is how to cut out a part of a clip in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.